In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your tile and grout floors. So much so that you can take the information in this video and start your own floor cleaning business with it. You can take the information in this video and actually, if you want to make a little extra money on the side, you can do this for people in your own town, in your own neighborhood. As we see here on the floors, what we're dealing with and what we're working with, this is just some before footage. You can see how heavily soiled and dirty the floors actually are. First thing you got to do is get you some type of degreaser. This is 𝗩𝗜𝗢𝗡𝗢 heavy duty citrus degreaser that you can purchase from like Home Depot or Lowe's. I put it in that pump up sprayer bottle. You can dilute it or you can use it undiluted. I'm using it undiluted because of the how dirty these floors actually are. So I'm just spraying it liberally all over the floor, and you want to just let it sit and dwell for, I'd say, 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes to loosen up that gunk. After that, as you can see, what I'm using here is what's called the 𝗦𝗢𝗢𝗡𝗢. And I will leave these products listed and linked down below for you. But this orbiter just goes around and around and around, and it cleans and scrubs the tile and grout, and it'll get all that dirt right up. It just does a fantastic job. Add you a little water to the floor if you need, like what we're doing here with this little white cup. Just add some water to help to loosen it up even more, and also it's going to help you to extract it come extraction time from the floor. But just go back and forth, left or right, doesn't really matter, and scrub those floors. And as you can see, what also we're doing here is extracting the water as I'm scrubbing. So this is just a shop vac. It's a wet, dry vacuum, and you just go behind the person, whoever's doing the scrubbing, and extract all the dirty water from the tile there, and just does a really good job, as you can see. Look at her go. Look at her go. Get it. Get it. Yep, so it's just a shop vac. But once you purchase these products, your business, you can get it going, and you won't have to purchase them again. Check out the dirty water there. Pouring it into a little bucket. And the purpose of that is just so you can see, because now I'm taking the bucket and dumping it in the sink, but you can see just how dirty that water is. And after you're done extracting, what you're going to use is you're going to use that distilled white vinegar right there, and you're just going to rinse the floors by mopping them. So I just put like a 1/4 cup of vinegar in a gallon of water in a bucket with my string mop, and then you're just going to just wipe off and rinse the floors. You can also use a pH neutral cleaner if you don't want to use vinegar. A regular pH neutral no rinse floor cleaner will work, but the vinegar is great as well. And right here is the after shot, where you can see the final product here. Some nice clean floors, and that, my friends, is how to deep clean your tile and grout floors.